The city of Ghats, Benares. मैं बैठ गया बनारस के घाट पर, दिन यूं गुजर गए, न तेरा इश्क याद रहा, तेरी बातें भी भूल गया.
After passing by Manikarnika Ghat in part 1, in part 2 we see here the Vishwanath Temple Ghat, a very newly built ghat, a newly construction. After passing by Vishwanath Temple Ghat, we now come to Dr. Rajendra Prasad Ghat. Now, at Rajendra Prasad Ghat, you will find these two prominent pink tanks basically. These are observatories. Dr. Rajendra Prasad Ghat, these pink water tank is the observatory that was erected by Maharaja Man Singh of Amber in around 1600 AD. This observatory is not as big as those at Delhi or Jaipur, but has got some 6 astronomical instruments. Applying of tilak is a kind of ritualistic worship of God. And in various ghats, you will find kids wearing the robe of Shiva and applying tilak to those people who sit at ghats, and in return, they get a small amount. Dashaswamedh Ghat is a main ghat in Varanasi on the Ganga river in Uttar Pradesh. It is located close to Vishwanath temple and is probably the most spectacular ghat. Two Hindu legends are associated with it. According to one, Brahma created it to welcome Shiva, and in another, Brahma sacrificed 10 horses during Dasha Shomeg Yagna performed here.
Built in the year 1812, Munshi Ghat is named after Sridhara Narayan Munshi, who was once a finance minister in the estate of Nagpur. In 1915, the Brahmin king Kameshwar Singh Gautam Bahadur of Darbhanga, that is Bihar, purchased the ghat and extended it. The extension later became known as Darbhanga Ghat. The palace of Darbhanga Ghat is made of sandstone from Chunar, with beautiful porches and great pillars. This area has been of importance in the Puranic context, but has also gained importance for its grandeur and architectural style. Ahilya Ghat has the distinction of being the first ghat named in honor of a person, namely the warrior Queen Ahilya Bai Holkar of Indore, who actually built it in 1778. The Chausati Ghat at Varanasi is named after the Chausat Yoginis, the 64 sacred feminine beings who are representations of Shakti. The lower portion of Chausati Ghat was rebuilt in 1830 by the Raja of Digpatiya, so that part is now called Digpatiya Ghat. named after Babua Pandey, a renowned wrestler of Bihar who established the famous wrestling arena of Varanasi called Akhada. If you see the Vishnu rest house, here was the place that we stayed, and from Dr. Rajendra Prasad, we took a boat to Pandey Ghat. You see from here the Dhobi Ghat where people dry their clothes, dhobis dry their clothes, and if you see in the drone shot, you can find me and my better half sitting at the Vishnu rest house. From Vishnu guest house, you can see the whole view of the ghat. This what you see is the first ever air conditioned luxury river cruise on holy river Ganga in Varanasi. This cruise tours all the ghats of Kashi. The Peshwa Amrit Rao of Pune in 1807, Raja Ghat was described as Amrit Rao Ghat by James Prinsep. In 1831 and Grimes in 1909, scattered in a massive area, the south of Ghat has Annapurna Mutt and the northern part has a fortress. The Ghat was renovated in 1965 by the government of Uttar Pradesh. The evenings in this ghat is blissful for the Ganga Aarti performed beautifully at the Annapurna Mutt. Visit the Kedar Ghat at any given day and you will observe a lot of devotees from South India bathing and offering prayers in the temple. Harishchandra Ghat is one of the oldest ghats of Varanasi, named after the king Harishchandra. This ghat is also one of the cremation ground as you had seen in part 1, that is Manikarnika Ghat. Here, people bring dead bodies of their near and dear ones to the Harishchandra Ghat for cremation. Head through narrow lanes and streets in different mohallas, that is neighborhoods in Varanasi. Enjoy the life and bustle you see in every street. In a single street, you may see cows, buffaloes, dogs, cats, goats, shopkeepers, little shops, old temples, and people heading to and fro. Ending on a sweet note, do enjoy the sweets in the bylanes of Varanasi. Till then, see you in the next video. Take care. Keep smiling. Namaste.